start, today I want to tell you about the two vaccines that are widely available in the Indian market, Covaxin and Covishield. These are the vaccines. There has been a huge talk about these vaccines on the internet, that which one is better and which one should be taken by people and should not be taken by people. So today I will tell you about both the vaccines in detail and the similarities and differences. So let's begin. So let's start with Covaxin. So Covaxin has been developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and National Institute of Virology, and ICMR stands for Indian Council of Medical Research. And Covishield has been developed by Serum Institute based on the research done by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. So now let's talk about the second point. So Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, which means it has dead coronavirus in it, and when it enters our body, our immune system catches the virus and destroys it, makes the antibodies which gives us immunity against the virus in the long term. On the other hand, Covishield is a non-replicating viral vector. That means when it enters your body, it cannot replicate if it enters your cells. And the viral vector means that is a genetically modified to have the spike proteins of the coronavirus. And the viral vector used in the Covishield vaccine is the cold virus found in chimpanzee. Now let's talk about the third point. Covaxin has symptoms that range from strong to moderate, while the symptoms of Covishield are milder than the Covaxin symptoms. Now let's talk about the efficacy rate. Covaxin has an efficacy rate of about 80%. Covishield has an efficacy rate of about 70%. Friends, what is important to note that the efficacy rate is not the best way to compare two vaccines, as it does not, as efficacy rate depends from individual to individual. And if we truly want to compare a vaccine by the efficacy rate, it should happen in the same country. It should be the people of that country only. It should be the same corona strain, and it should happen in the same time period as the other vaccines. The difference between the dosage of the Covaxin should be around 14 to 28 days, while the difference between the time period between the first and second dose of Covishield should be 2 months to 3 months. Now let's talk about the next difference, which is which people should avoid the vaccines. Covaxin should be avoided by the people who have autoimmune related diseases and cancer, while Covishield should be avoided by the people who have allergic reactions to certain substances and things. And now let's talk about the similarities of the vaccine. So both of the vaccines require 2 doses, and both can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The vaccines are intramuscular type of vaccines. And now let's talk about the side effects of the vaccine. So the side effects of Covaxin are pain at the injection site, swelling, nausea. The symptoms of Covishield are the pain at the injection site, and people also get swelling, body pain. Now let's come to the conclusion. So friends, we should take the vaccine as early as possible, as the sooner we take the vaccine, sooner everyone in the community will get herd immunity, which is important to stop coronavirus in time, or people will keep getting corona and it will be like a never ending cycle. So when we get the vaccine, it protects us from corona, thereby giving us immunity. So the transmission chain breaks from one person to another, and people don't get affected by corona. It will sooner go away, and we can come out of lockdown, and everything will be fine. Please press the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Thank you.